Hello, my name is Olga Filippova, and here I am with a step-by-step design tutorial using the program Canva, internet program Canva. Type in the searching space canva.com and the program will suggest you to log in. Use what you prefer, Google, Facebook, Apple, or you can log in using your email and password. I will log in with Google with my account and I'm here. We can use this button, create a design, and there are so many types of SMM possible materials like Instagram post, logo, flyer, poster, even business cards. You can create a resume, your CV, even a CD cover, and photo collage for personal use or for also for SMM promotion materials. You can create presentation. For example, let's choose type like poster. And here you will find a lot of different examples. You can start it from the white canvas from scratch, or you can use one of those templates. Let's imagine that we will do promo materials for jazz festival. We have keywords like jazz and what we can choose here. For example, this one. It is very easy to correct the text, to change the text. Just click on it and type what you need. For example, autumn jazz festival. The same, you can change the picture. How to change the picture I will show in the next videos. Let's choose now, for example, business card. And we also can change the size to see it zoomed. For example, we will create business card and let's imagine that it will be a translator. Just one with no one. So we can find some ideas in the internet and create it from scratch. For example, using text elements, or maybe you will find what you like here. I will show you more precisely every template, how to use it in next videos.